thoughts inside my head. Empty space that kinda makes me mad. What to do to fill this space? Another time, life, different place. Well, if that's what I choose, bound to lose. In any path you take will always cause a bruise. Got to be strong, what they say. Still every night goes by, I pray for another, for another chance and a break from